Subtracting integers notes. So this is the beginning is we're going to talk about using a number line to subtract integers, and then we're going to go on and just use the rule. So the first thing says 2 wrongs into a right. So I've got 3 minus a negative 4. So what if you were reading this, what this would say would be 3, now go to the left, but wait, now go in the opposite direction 4. So if I begin here on my number line, and I'm starting at my 3, right here, and then it says go to the left, wait, turn around, go the other way. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would wind up at 7. So let's look at this one. Start at 5, and then go to the left, wait, go to the opposite direction 6, and that would put me at 11. So one way you can think about subtraction and negatives is the opposite of. So here, negative 7, that means we begin at negative 7. So I've gone from 0 back to negative 7. And now it says we're going to go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to continue to the left, but wait, we're going to go in the opposite direction 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that puts me at negative 3. Okay. The other way you can think about it is if you have one negative, so we've got 8 minus 3. So if I start at 8 and then I subtract 3, puts me at 5. And if I've got 4 minus 9, means I start at 4 and then go to the left 9 and so forth. Okay. All right, here is where you are actually going to be doing, just not using a number line, but going ahead and doing it. So it says when subtracting integers, you need to remember add the opposite, then follow the rules for addition. I need you to copy this entire box down, everything that it says in here, into your notebook. All right, so let's look at it. Add the opposite. So I'm going to look here at my 4, and I'm going to add the opposite. So this was a 5, now it's a negative 5. And I'm going to follow my rules for addition. So I look at my things, do my signs match? No. So since they don't match, I subtract. 5 minus 4, that's 1. The 5 is negative. That has the greater absolute value, so my answer is negative. Okay, let's look at the next one. Negative 3 minus negative 9. Add the opposite. So I'm going to circle the first one and then add the opposite. Well, the opposite of negative 9 is positive 9. My signs don't match. I subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. This is a positive 6 because the 9 was positive. Okay, next one, I'm going to look over here and I've got 8 minus a negative 3. So I circle my 8. And then I add the opposite. Remember, the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Look at it. Adding integers, my signs match. I add and keep the sign. Okay, last one. Negative 8. Add the opposite. So I've got negative 8 plus negative 4. I'm going to add my integers, signs match, and my answer is negative 12.